to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make pellet smoked turkey chili. Hey, it's perfect on those cold days when you don't feel like gaining fat to keep you warm. Alright. So let's start by cutting up 4 vine-ripe tomatoes. You can just rough cut them. Next, we're going to dice a poblano pepper. Just remove the seeds, slice it up, and dice it up. Next, we've got 2 jalapeno peppers. One of them is going to get sliced, and that's for the topping on top of your chili. And the other one's going to get de-seeded and diced, and that's for mixing within the chili. Now you see here, man's not wearing a glove while he's handling these hot peppers. And you should do that too, and then stick your fingers in your eye sockets, because it's exhilarating. No, don't do that. Alright, anyway, dice up a whole white onion, and then mince up some garlic. And then put that onion in a frying pan, and we're going to cook that and let it get translucent. And next we're going to add bulk of the poblano peppers and the jalapeno peppers. Slide in the garlic, and now we're going to add a splash of beef broth. That's going to give it a nice beefy flavor. Next we're going to drop in 1 pound of ground turkey. This is lean ground turkey, and it's going to fry up pretty quickly, but it's also going to get all clumpy. And what you want to do is use the side of your spoon to start breaking up those clumps. It's a little different than beef. And now we're going to add some flavor by adding a packet of taco seasoning mix. Let's build the chili and start with 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of kidney beans, 1 can of corn, 1 can of black beans, 1 pinto bean can, and we're going to add the sliced and diced veggies. And now we're going to slide in the ground turkey and onion pepper mixture. Stir it up. Now you might be wondering, hey man, why are you adding beef bouillon cubes and beef broth? Why not chicken flavor? Well, yeah, you could use chicken broth, but if you follow this recipe, you're going to forget you're actually eating turkey. You're going to think you're eating beef. Alright, we're going to add a dash of chili pepper, cumin, and chipotle powder just to season up this stuff. Oh, take a look at that. I mean, the mood just changed right there.
Oh, hey chili, don't go chasing waterfalls.
Alright, you lonely souls. Let's put this turkey chili on the smoker. Alright, so we've got this smoker rolling with applewood pellets, and it's burning at 275 Fahrenheit. So this cook is going to take about 3 to 4 hours, and you can see our progress here. Food porn flyover. Yeah, we're a couple hours in. You can see how this is looking nice and smoke colored and flavorfully delicious. Alright, so here's an optional step. If your chili's a little bit liquidy like you see here, or if you just want to thicken things up, hit it with an immersion blender, and that's going to thicken up the consistency of the chili. And you just want to run it a little bit like this here. You don't want to. You might want to stop now, man. Come on, that's too much. Damn, you're gonna grind. You're gonna turn it into baby food. What are you doing? Well, anyway, that's an optional step, but if you do it and stir it together, you're gonna have some super thick chili. Well, hey there, thanks for watching this video. You've made it all the way to the end. Most people don't. Congrats, or I don't know, what's wrong with you? Anyway, please feel free to click like, hate, subscribe, destroy, whatever. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Tell your friends about us. But your mom already knows who we are.